We are here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at apartment 9M. Let's go on in. This is a 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment at the top floor of this 9-floor building at 111 Dryden Road. As we enter, you can see our living space is directly ahead of us. The kitchen is over on our left, but let's go look at the living room first, and we'll come back to the kitchen. You can see we have the dining table and chairs. So seating area, there's an air conditioner here under the window that is for the living room area, and a TV does come with these larger apartments. One great feature about this apartment in particular on the 9th floor, this top floor, is the spectacular view we have. This is a west-facing view right here. Over to our right, that is to the north, and you can see Cayuga Lake. I'm going to zoom in so you can see it a little better. It's a beautiful view of the lake that you have from this top floor apartment. This is the south end of Cayuga Lake. This view facing west, you get great sunsets and beautiful seasons changing during here, and this valley view is spectacular. Over to our left, that is looking more towards the south, and you can see Ithaca College over that way. That is some of the living room here. The bathroom is over here. Let's look at the kitchen, and then we'll come back and see the bathroom and go through the bedrooms. This is the kitchen. So this apartment does have a renovated kitchen. You can see that we've got the newer appliances in there, the larger refrigerator with the double doors that open, that pull-out freezer on the bottom, the dishwasher, microwave, stove and oven, and you can see the assorted drawers and cabinets. They did a nice job with these kitchen renovations. They look really great in the apartments. And let's go over and see the bathroom. The bathroom has that tub shower with a sliding door. There is the vanity that opens under the sink for more storage, the toilet, and there's a small cabinet on the wall for some extra storage on there and some towel racks. Let's go through the bedrooms. There are 2 on each side of this living space. So let's go into room 1. That's at the end of the hall. All bedrooms will have their own door and lock, overhead lighting. The bedrooms will have the same furnishings. There will be a bookshelf, a desk and chair, a dresser, and a full-size bed. Let's take a look in the closet while we're over here. That is behind us right here. There's the closet behind the door. Let's go take a look quickly out the window, although it is the same for all the bedrooms. We're all facing to the west, the same direction. And, okay, so this is room number 1. Let's go into room 2. Let's go on out the door and over to room 2. Room 2 is right next to room 1. As we go on there, same items. The furnishings will be the same. They may vary in style from floor to floor. This apartment, the M style apartment, here's the closet on this one, is available on floors 5 through 9 here at Collegetown Plaza. Same view, beautiful. If you take a look at our YouTube channel, you can watch some of the Collegetown Plaza overview videos to see how this building fits together, because it is an unusually laid out building. We enter on floor 4 on the east side of the building, but we are on the west side of the building, so we have more floors on this west side, and it all fits together, but you can kind of tell a little bit more when you watch the videos. And this is room 3, so we're across from the kitchen. Let's take a look in here. Room 2 and 3 are pretty similar. Room 1 has a slight angle as you go into the window. Collegetown Plaza is located at 111 Dryden Road. We're 1 block from campus here at our intersection at the corner of College Ave and Dryden Road. One more room. Let's go see room 4. Room 4 has a couple of different features. One is that it's larger. This is the largest of the bedrooms. It has more floor space. Sometimes groups will have the rents be prorated, and you all will decide if you would prefer to have the person in the larger room pay a little bit more and offset some of the other rooms. And again, that view over to the north, the west, south is over this way. The other extra feature, upgrade feature in this room in particular is a double closet. You can see one here. Let's get this door shut. Okay, so we have 2 closets here in this one. So double the closet space, larger size in room 4 here in this apartment. So again, the M style apartment is available on floors 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The layout is exactly the same. The furnishings may vary in style a little bit, but they will be the same items. The views will be better as we go higher up. So this is the top floor. This will be the best view. You can watch some of the other videos or photos to see some other view examples. But the layout and style of the apartment will be the same. So that's Collegetown Plaza, apartment 9M. We're in a 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment here at 111 Dryden Road, located just 1 block from campus.